back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more data entry non-phone work from home job leads. I know most of you are wanting non-phone, non-customer service, but if these job leads are not for you, please always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Even if I'm not always responding, I am always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. In this video, I have 4 different job leads for you, all data entry. Some are healthcare related, some are not. Some pay up to $18 an hour. Most of these do not require any kind of college degree. Now, real quickly, before we get into all of the details and job leads, if you're new here, hi, welcome. This channel is all about searching the internet and looking for the best work from home jobs available. I share multiple job leads daily on this channel because we all want to live our happiest, healthiest life working from home and having that work-life balance. So if you want to get a work from home job, make sure you're subscribed and have those notifications turned on so you never miss out on another job lead. But with that being said, the first job lead we have is from the Movado Group. Now, if you go down to the bottom of this, the Movado Group is a parent company to multiple brands. Some of those will be well recognized, such as Coach, Tommy Hilfiger, Hugo Boss, Lacoste. They are hiring a data entry clerk to work remote. Now, all of these are going to be for my United States folks only. This one is a temporary position. They need temporary help for their payroll data conversion project. So they're going to need somebody who knows how to use Excel because you're going to be doing heavy data entry into Excel spreadsheets. So you need to have the ability to produce accurate data entry and meet deadlines, experience and comfortable, of course, using Excel, highly organized and detailed, and payroll experience is a plus but not required. Now, unfortunately, they did not list a pay for this position. That will have to be discussed at the time of the interview. Next up, we have the company Moda. They are hiring a medical claims entry operator. Now, this is for select states. Those states include Arkansas, Arizona, Florida, Indiana, Oregon, Texas, and Washington. So if you are in one of those states, they are looking for someone to enter the processing system all claims that are received by mail or route claims as directed to the processing specific data entry queues. You'll interrogate data on claims received electronically where member or provider information does not match the Moda records. So you'll be checking that information against what you have in the records. So you'll be doing data entry of claims accurately using the Moda computer system. You'll reassign any claims appropriate as outlined by their medical claims reprocessing guidelines. You'll resolve claims that pinned with errors, including those that do not match the records. You'll research and problem solve a basic claims data. You'll identify and communicate up to managers and supervisors any trends that you notice. Now, again, no college degree is needed. A high school diploma or GED. They want somebody who has 6 months of data entry experience, someone who can key 135 strokes per minute on a computer numeric keypad, typing of 35 words per minute, someone who knows how to use Microsoft Office, who has strong problem solving skills, the ability to adapt to frequent changes, and if you know medical terminology, that is helpful but not required. Now, they do offer a standard benefit package including medical, dental, vision, 401k, paid time off, and this one pays anywhere from $17 an hour all the way up to $18.66 an hour. Now, one thing to note about this position, when the page loads, it may look like the position is not available because the screen loads where it says search positions and log in. You just have to keep scrolling down. The actual job description is under all that, and then you can again log in or create a profile to submit that application if you're interested. Next up, we have another healthcare one. The Summit Medical Group is hiring a Electronic medical records data entry specialist. That is a mouthful to say, but they are looking for someone to assist with the accurate entry of patient demographics or other data into medical records. Now, this is a full-time opportunity, but it does say the possibility for hybrid is there. They are specifically looking for people located around the Knoxville, Tennessee area or within commuting distance to that. This is a remote position, but there may be times that you are required to travel to the office and they are not paying travel expenses. But they are looking for someone to enter patient demographic information, problem list, financial guarantor, insurance payer information, and all other data needed into the medical records database. You'll meet or exceed the departmental accuracy for productivity standards. You'll report any discrepancies as noted in the patient's medical records. You'll maintain ability to prioritize data and work by volume, and you'll perform any other duties as assigned. Now, this does require a high school diploma or GED and prior experience in patient registration. Now, last but not least, we have Icon is hiring a clinical data entry person. Data entry support for non-SIP studies and sites. You'll make updates into the CTMS, assume that's their system, as provided and pre-validate the site list, the change forms, and change requests received by email. You'll review reference data to see if required account information, contact information, and address records already exist in the system. You'll create new or update existing references data as needed. Now, there is also data entry support for outsourced studies, which you'll create countries and or sites, enter milestones and enrollment information for those outsourced studies. It goes through a list of other different data entry things that you may do, but it is all data entry. Now, it says data entry experience is preferred but not required. They do not actually list anything that is required, including a degree. And of course, they also don't list pay. That will have to be discussed at the time of the interview. All right, I just want to ask that you help me out for a minute. If you prefer this format where I have multiple different job leads, please leave that in the comments below and let me know if you prefer the shorter format where I give one job lead at a time, or if you prefer the longer format where I share multiple job leads in one video. Also, let me know, I've asked before, but it's been about a year. Some people only like me sharing job leads that are for all states of the United States, and some don't mind me sharing job leads that are only for select states. I always want to be able to be helpful to those, and if I don't share the ones that are for select states, people who live in those areas may miss out. But please, again, let me know what you like best down in the comments below. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and of course, I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.